So how to reset Instagram Explore page? All what you want to do first, guys, go to your Instagram and then go to the Explore page and go into the posts or the reels that you like and make sure to put a like on them like this. Just keep putting like on the posts that you like, and for the posts that you don't like, go into them and click on them like this and make sure to go into those three options and click on not interested. That's the first way. The second way, go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then go to the storage or the internal storage right here, click on clear data and clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.